Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a mail call package from Yaya's Garage Custom Diecast in Montreal. Yannick was a participant in my recent YouTube channel 2nd anniversary Porsche invitational. That's the 2nd year in a row for him. Let's see what Yannick wrote in a letter. He says, "Hi Andrew, first time one of my models crossed the Atlantic, hoping that it made it there safely. It's always a pleasure to take part of your anniversary build-off. It gets me to know others who share the same passion that brings people some fun nostalgia from our childhood. Sorry for my limited English vocabulary, that is so Canadian of me. All the best from a friend in Montreal, Yannick." Well, you know I appreciate this nice letter and the contents of the package, Yannick, so thanks for your generosity. The challenge was to customize any Porsche casting and give it away. Well, he asked if he could send it to me, which wasn't a stipulation, and I said send it on, my friend. And here it is on my bench. I'm posting a link in the description so you can watch Yaya's video of doing this mashup. How creative is this? It's a Porsche 911 in the back, perfectly cut and fused together with a chopper in the front. So you drive the chopper, there's the seat right in the middle, and the lucky passengers sit inside in the rear seat in the 911. It is perfectly put together with a beautiful paint finish. It's a majorette, I can see. Yannick's channel is filled with creative builds just like this one, and you'll enjoy it very much. And I want to say thank you again, my friend, for sending that all the way here. A couple of glamour shots for you to admire. Be sure to check out the video on Yannick's channel. It's absolutely tremendous work, and I'm so happy to have it here in my possession now, with a couple of more customs that have come my way. Like the Mountain Dew Porsche from James Hewitt, from the same Porsche build-off. Now I got the 911 chopper. Follow the hashtag MLC Porsche 2 and watch all the videos you might not have caught yet. Thanks for visiting here today. Drive carefully. It's coffee time.